Hey there yarn artists, I'm Chanel, your crochet companion at Crochet Republic, and today we will begin making Peter the Panda. Our first task is to create 2 eye patches with our main color. In my case, that would be purple. You will need chunky yarn in your preferred main color, a 3.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, and a row counter. You will begin round 1 by making a slip knot and placing it on your hook. Next we are going to chain 4 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next you're going to identify the second chain from the hook and work into it, making your first double crochet. In the next chain stitch you will be making another double crochet. In the last chain stitch you will be making a quadruple double crochet increase. That means you'll be making 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Notice how your work is starting to turn as you make the 4 double crochets, allowing you to get to the other side of your chain that you just worked into. In your next chain stitch, make a double crochet, and then again in the last one, make another double crochet. Take your stitch marker and insert it into the last stitch. That's the end of round 1. For round 2, you will start by making a triple double crochet increase in the first stitch. That means you're going to make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. I choose to work over my yarn tail to secure it. That's double crochet number 1. That's double crochet number 2. And double crochet number 3. In the next stitch you will make 1 double crochet. In the next 5 stitches you are going to make a double crochet increase in each stitch. That means you'll be making 2 double crochets in each stitch. That's the first increase. Moving to the second one. That's double crochet number 1, double crochet number 2. Moving to the third increase. Double crochet number 1, double crochet number 2, moving to the fourth increase, that's double crochet number 1, double crochet number 2, fifth increase, double crochet number 2. You're going to take your stitch marker out of the last stitch and make 1 double crochet in it. Once you have completed your double crochet, you're going to take your stitch marker and put it back into the last stitch, and that brings you to the end of round 2. For round 3, you are going to make a double crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, you're going to do a combination of 3 stitches. A double crochet, followed by a half treble crochet, followed by another double crochet, all in the same stitch. That's your double, that's your half treble crochet, and then 1 more double crochet in the same spot. In the next stitch you're going to make a double crochet, and then we're going to finish off in the next stitch with a single crochet. You need to leave a yarn tail that's long enough to sew your eye patch to the head later. Snip it off and pull it all the way through the stitch. Next you're going to take your short yarn tail and just snip it off so it's out of the way. Then you're going to take your crochet hook once again and you insert it in that last stitch from the back to the front. You're going to hook your yarn tail and you're just going to pull it through to the back of your eye patch. This simply makes it easier and a neater join when it's time to sew the eye patch to the head. And that completes your eye patch. Remember to make 2 eye patches by returning to the start of round 1 to make the second eye patch. Keep your eye patches handy for next time. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Crochet Republic for more crochet tips, tricks and creative projects. Ring that bell to stay updated on all our upcoming yarn-filled escapades. Thank you for joining us on this crochet journey. You can also find Crochet Republic on Etsy, Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the introduction below the video for easy access. Handmake with love until we meet again in the Crochet Republic. Bye for now.